Hello, this video will be about how to use AutoPaint mod in Slay the Spire 2. I'm going to try to keep this brief and quick. I'm not going to edit this too much, so hopefully this video is okay. I'm not going to teach you how to download mods in general. If you want that, I'm sure there's other videos on YouTube that tell you about that. If there isn't, and this video blows up and I get lots of comments asking me how you download mods inside the Spire, perhaps I'll make a video about that. But I'm just going to teach you how to use the AutoPaint mod. Mainly, the shape files that it requires is a little bit difficult to figure out. And the way that you figure that out is first you need to download the mod. If you haven't downloaded the mod before, just click this manual download button. Do slow download. It will download in a few seconds. All you need to do is when it downloads, go to your downloads folder, just extract the folder, and then all you need to do is put this folder that got extracted from that folder into your mods folder, which will look like this. The file directory is up here. You should have a mods folder. All you need to do is drag and drop this maps shapes folder into your mod folder, and that will download the mod. But this isn't a video talking about how to download mods. This is about how to use the AutoPaint mod. So the way that you use an AutoPaint mod is it will start off with this Miku test image, but it doesn't really explain how to get the other shape images in there, maybe because it's in Chinese. So I'll show you how to do that. The author of this mod posted a thing in the posts about how to convert images into shapes. So you just need to follow this very sketchy link, and I'll provide this link in the bottom of this video's description. Just go to that link address and it will give you this Chinese website on how to convert images into the dot shape files you need. I forgot, there's probably a way to view this in English. I didn't click that button. But what I've done is I've used Adobe Illustrator. You can use an image editing software of your choice. It's not even necessary. You can just download the images. But I like to try to clean up the images as much as possible, because the less detail it has, the easier it could pick up on the lines. So you can just take any image. I like to modify the image first, but you don't have to. You can take a screenshot of the image. One thing I'll mention is you want the image to be as square as possible. If it's not in a square shape, the mod seems to stretch the image not how you want. So don't get like a rectangular image. If you do download an image online, try to crop it to be as square as possible. Then just paste it into this. Clicking one of these buttons will create an outline, and scrolling this bar will make the outline more detailed or less detailed. So just slide it to your heart's content until it looks about right. When you do that, you'll click this button. I hold no accountability if you download viruses from this or whatever. It does kind of look sketchy, but I don't think I have any viruses, so. And the mod author recommended this website. You'll just click this button. It'll create a shape file. You can name the shape file here before. So if I want to name this something else, I can do like OK and download. You'll see it'll create that file with that name. Then all you need to do is throw that file into your shapes folder. So you can see, let me go half screen. If you just take that downloaded file from your downloads folder, you can do it up here, or you can go into your downloads. Just drag and drop that into the shapes folder that the mod provides you with. And one neat thing is, as you drag and drop files into this folder, it will actually update even in a current progress game. So I'll show you in game. As long as you're on the modded client, I'm not going to explain how you do that, but the way that you use the mod is you click F5 in the map menu, and it will show all your shape files in that folder. You can see here is the OK one that I made. If you click on it, it will show you a preview of where it's going to place it, and by scrolling, you can resize the image and place it anywhere you want. And yeah, that's pretty much how to do that. If you have any questions, maybe leave a comment. I don't know. This is very just quick. I'm not really going to edit this video too much, but hopefully you found that helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.